Hi everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After that, divide the hairs. Make the plaits on the hairs, tie it like this. Follow the same step for the other side. Now fix it by rolling it upward like this. Tie it properly and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and roll it around the bun and it's done. Next, tie the hairs like this. Now pull out the hairs from the top and the sides little bit as shown in the video. Now we will make the plaits on the hairs as we are making. Pull out the hairs from the sides. After that, roll it upward and fix it. And your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Make the plaits on the hairs. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit. After that, fix it by rolling it upward. Make a flower-like shape as shown in the video. Fix it. Now take the hairs from the sides, rotate it using this hairstyling tool. Now make the plaits on the right side, fold it and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward and divide the hairs into 4 sections like this. After that, rotate it from the between as shown in the video. After rotating it, we will fix the hairs together. Roll it properly. Now tie them together like this. Make a flower in the between. Now tie all the hairs together. Rotate it and fix it over the bun like this. Tie the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it on both the sides. Now join them on the back as shown in the video. Now divide the hairs, divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fold it upward and fix it like this. Divide the hairs into 2 parts, make the plaits on each section of the hairs. Tie it properly. Now fold it upward and fix it on the alternative sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take small section of the hairs on the top, roll it like this and put the hair clip on it. Now taking 3 sections of the hairs, put it one by rolling it inside the clip like this. Fix it on the top. Now tie all the hairs on the top like this from the bottom, roll it down and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.